Hey there, sunshine. So today I'm going to be talking to you all about how you can make money from home with your smartphone. Now, I'm not going to say that any of these positions, any of these companies are going to be paying enough for you to make a full-time income to pay all of your bills and everything, but I do think that they would make excellent part-time jobs with any extra time that you have left over in the day or during the weekend. I mean, who doesn't want extra cash that you can stash away or spend on whatever you so please? I think these are great ways to make an additional income. Everything in here that I am recommending is things that I've trusted and I've tried out in the past. And these are things that I even have my own family members doing to make an income. So today we're going to be talking about 4 different opportunities you can work from home from your smartphone. I do want to go ahead and put in another little exciting disclaimer in here. Out of these 4 work from home positions that I have tried out and I've discovered, none of them need a college degree for. There is one that you could use some experience in order to land the position, but for a lot of the work from home smartphone jobs that I found out there, like the jobs you can do from your phone, a lot of them need a college degree. And I know that's something that not all of us have. I don't have one. So I think that this is something, these 4 jobs are way more inclusive, but there are work from home jobs out there that require you to have a smartphone and a college degree. If that's something that you're interested in learning more about, please let me know because I'd be really happy to share that with you all. But in that case, let's get going. The first company that we're going to be talking about today is leapforce.com. Leapforce.com is a company that is going to pay you to be a search engine evaluator. Basically what that is you'll be going on Google and you'll be typing in certain phrases, certain images, looking for certain things, and you're going to be seeing if search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo give you relevant results, give you results in a timely manner, and you'll be sending your feedback when you're doing these projects. The hourly pay for leapforce.com is around $14. Yes, again, this is an hourly pay. This isn't paid by the project. There are a few downsides to this position, which is why I brought it up first, because I feel like this is the one that maybe we should talk about the most. In order to be able to apply for leapforce.com, you need to do so on a computer. You can go to your local library and there are computers there that you can use for free and you can apply from there. And once you're accepted into leapforce.com, you can work from your phone. So again, the only downside is that you have to use a computer to apply, and then once you're accepted, you can use your phone. So that kind of sucks that you have to go out of your way to use a computer to work on your phone. I don't think that's very, it doesn't make much sense to me, but hey, I'm not the one who's running the company. And the only other thing is that you need to be able to do to work from leapforce.com is have an Android 4.1 or higher, a Windows Phone 8.1 or higher, or an iPhone 4S or higher. So you should have the Android Phone 4.1 or more, the Windows 8.1 or more, or an iPhone 4S or higher. So as long as your phone is updated and you keep up to date, you will be most likely accepted, unless a lot of people go and apply. I know that's happened with Upwork. A lot of people have seen my videos and they've gone and applied, and now the system is just flooded and there's so many applications. But get in quick while you can and try and apply, and you will 95% be selected to work for leapforce.com at $14 an hour, which is not bad for a work from home position. The next company that we're going to be talking about is a company that I have no idea how to say their name because I suck at pronunciation, but I'm going to be spelling out their names. So the company that I'm going to be talking about is VoIQ. VoIQ is a call center, and they're looking for call center representatives to represent other companies, to call customers, to talk to them about problems and other stuff. Basically, the way this is going to work is you get paid 30 cents per minute that you are on the phone. This could be for doctor's offices, telling them about scheduling for appointments. This could be calling people to let them know they need to refill medication. This could be calling to let people know that, hey, you have a delivery out today. Please make sure you're home to sign. Things as simple as that. Nothing too complicated. They are looking for people who do have call center experience, but I'm sure if you have an upbeat, positive, outgoing kind personality, you could wiggle your way in there. It is 30 cents per minute that you are on the phone, but again, they are looking for people who do have experience. If you are somebody who is experienced, you will probably be the one who ends around the 30 cents per a minute, which equals out to around $18 an hour. If you don't have experience, I'm sure the pay is probably less. You do need to have a PayPal account because that's how payments are made for VOIQ, and you must have a minimum $1 in your account for time worked in order to receive any payments. And the next two that we're going to be talking about are both kind of the same thing, but they have different rates. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is called Palfish. Palfish is a company where you can set your own rate, and this is a mobile application that you can download on your Android or on your iPhone. Basically, how Palfish works is that you are paid to speak, to hold conversations with non-English speakers. The great thing about Palfish is you don't need any previous experience to work from them, and you get to choose your own hours and days when you work. You can literally like work in your basement on a Monday, and then you could go work in the park on a Tuesday and change up your times. You get to really set your own schedule. Payments are made via PayPal 2 times a month, but again, this is available for Androids and for iProducts, and if you really don't like holding phone conversations, but texting is your thing, honestly, this is a great way to make some extra money. And again, you do get to set your own pricing, so I can't really give you guys a pricing on that one, but it's a great and fun way to make a little bit of side cash. And the last work from home job that we're going to be talking about today is called nicetalk.com. Nicetalk.com is very similar to Palfish, except that you are paid per a minute conversation that you have. So for every minute that you hold a conversation, you are paid, and basically the way their payments work out is it's around $10 an hour to use nicetalk.com. So again, basically you're being paid to have conversations with non-English speakers, and there's an Android and an Apple version available. Payments are made 2 times a month, and all of those payments are sent right to your PayPal. So if you're looking for something that's a little more solid in the payments, like, okay, every 2 weeks I'm going to be getting a paycheck instead of like every couple of days, I think Nice Talk would be something that really would hold a lot of structure for you. So that is it for our work from home smartphone jobs. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Do you have any questions on other work from home jobs? Do you have any questions about any of these work from home jobs? Have you ever tried any work from home jobs that you could do on your smartphone? Because I would love to hear. My favorite to use is Palfish. What is yours if you've ever tried? Again, I really would love to know from you guys. That is it for this week. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.